Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. How's the Josh? I know your Josh is high. Today I will begin with your interesting topic, very important topic, and that topic is Chapter 3, Current Electricity, and the topic is mobility of electron and relation of mobility with electric current. Means we have to discuss today about mobility of electron. What is mobility of electron? We should think over the meaning of mobility. Mobility of electron means velocity of electron per unit electric field. That is, it is written, mobility is, its symbol is mu. Velocity, that is Vd, because the velocity of electron are generally drift velocity. So I have written here Vd divided by electric field. So mobility of free electron, I think mobility of free electron is not appropriate word here. Mobility of electron, because free electron, of course they are free electron, but when the conductor is connected by source of EMF, then the free electrons get drifted, and that drifted velocity is drift velocity. And in that case, when the electrons are getting motion, that is drifted, then that drift velocity per unit electric field applied on it is known as mobility of electron. Okay, so this is very important. Unit, what would be unit? Vd, velocity, meter per second. Meter per second. Again, electric field E is equal to V by L, volt per meter, that is V by M. When we simplify it, then M by S into M by V, that is meter square per second per volt. This is the unit of mobility. Very easy way to understand it. Okay, I think you have got it. Now let us come to the very interesting point, that is relation of mobility with electric field, with current, and some other relations, the entire relations. Just you will see what are the interesting relations which are coming out here. Please wait for a moment. Here the two relations of current and drift velocity and electric field I have derived in the previous class. One was I is equal to when NEAVD, and the second was VD is equal to EE. Actually it was like that, remember it, it is tau, but when we take the absolute value, then VD is equal to EE by M tau. This is the drift velocity, relation of drift velocity and E. Now we can relate 1 and 2 for very good purpose. And now come to the eliminate VD. Come to this point, elimination of VD by 1 and 2. Put VD here in equation 1. So I is equal to NE A, Vd means E, capital E divided by M tau, and I is equal to N E square. E means here E is equal to V by L. V is the potential difference across the length end of the conductor, between the end of the conductor. L is the length of the conductor. E potential, electric field across the conductor. So N E square, E means V by L, E is equal to V by L. So here N E square by M into A into tau, E equal to V by L, here V by L. E is equal to V by L, this is A, this is tau, relaxation time. Now we can write here in terms of the V by LA, what the important conclusion from this relation I is equal to, we can take I by A here, and it is equal to N E square by M into L, okay, and V tau. This is the relation. I by A is current density, J is equal to I by A. This is the current density. We should know that I by A is current density. Then the value of I by A is equal to J. It is in terms of V. But if we want I by A means J is equal to N E square by M, for a time being V by L, again convert into V by L into E for a time being. For a time being again convert V by L into E, that is tau, and this is J by E is equal to N E square by M into tau. Now what is a very interesting result? We know very well that the sigma, that is current, that is conductivity of the current, sigma. And what is sigma? We know J is equal to sigma E. Here J by E, if E is here, E came here, J by E is nothing but sigma. Sigma is equal to N square M into tau. This is the conductivity. This is the conductivity of electron. Okay, that is the current conductivity, electron conductivity, you can say. So this is all about the explanation and the relation between J by E, that is equal to sigma N E square by M and tau. This is very important. Now one thing I would like to mention here, that suppose you are asked to prove Ohm's law or derive Ohm's law, then how would you derive Ohm's law? Come to the point here. From here, V is here, L is here. We want to derive Ohm's law. How could you derive Ohm's law? From here, V by L, that is I by V is equal to N E square by M L into A into tau. We already know that I by V is equal to IR. If you want to put V is equal to IR, I by V is how much? 1 by R is equal to I by V. 1 by R is equal to I by V. Here you can write V is equal to IR. Means I by V is equal to 1 by R. That is N E square into A by M into L into tau. If we can write in terms of R, that is R is equal to ml by N E square A into tau. Here also, in other word, R is equal to m by N square tau into L by A. This term is constant. This term is constant and known as specific resistance, that is resistivity. So at constant, here R is equal to, we know that V by, this is the resistance, and we wanted to prove the Ohm's law. Then Ohm's law could be proved here, that since tau at constant temperature, at constant physical quantity, this tau is constant, V and this whole term will be constant. Tau is equal to constant at constant temperature. This whole term will also be constant. Therefore, V will be proportional to I from this relation. Okay. So this is another relation. We can show that at constant temperature, tau is constant, and this is for a particular conductor, A by L is also constant. This whole thing is constant. That is I by V is equal to constant, and I by V is equal to constant means V proportional to I, and this is Ohm's law. Ohm's law says that whenever physical conditions are kept constant, then V is proportional to I. That I proved here. Okay. So there are so many relations we have shown here. The value of R, the Ohm's law, the relation in J, E and sigma. These are the entire relations which are very much important. You should understand it. Okay. I think you have got it. I think you have understood and got each and every concept of this lecture. But what is remaining now from your side to subscribe it. Thank you.